I am making a bangle. I will cut off this melon. Then it will be done. Here, my bangle is ready.
Oh, crazy old lady. You see, my daughter-in-law bought it.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Show me.
Don't give your hands are so messy.
Grandma, don't be cry. I'll make you a better one. That crazy old lady was behaving badly with my grandma. She knows that grandmothers does not have enough money to buy new a bangle, yet she is doing this, but I love my grandma so much and also take care of her, and I will make a very beautiful bangle for my dear grandma among friends, and give it. If you also love your grandma, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write the name of your country in the comments. Finally, a beautiful bangle is ready. Oh, Grandma, I have brought a beautiful bangle for you.
Wow, this is a very beautiful bangle. Thank you, my dear son.